My rose milk squash is ready. I am going to drink. What about you? You have to you should know how it is made, isn't it? So come, will you? We'll all join together and make this rose milk squash to see how it comes. And after that, we can enjoy the drink. Come, we'll make that first. That is 1 dessert spoon of water I need, right? And 1 tablespoon of sugar. Actually, what we need is 1 tablespoon sugar and 1 dessert spoon of water only we need. But if you want to make it more, you can make it more. That is no problem at all. So now these two together, we will mix it nicely till the sugar dissolves. Till the sugar dissolves like. It's not a caramel that I'm doing. Don't think that it's a caramel, but I need something similar to a caramel. Right. Sugar dissolved, and you can see this is nicely mixed. I'm going to take this and put it into a bowl. So when I put into a bowl, I hope you can remember, I kept a spoon first, right? I kept a spoon, otherwise what will happen? This glass bowl will break. So now I put a little, the juice I have put. Now I am going to use the essence. Rose essence I am putting. Okay? Pink coloring. I need a little pink coloring. So when actually I am not using the pink coloring, you can see what I am using here. It's a red coloring that I am using. So I have put the red coloring. When it comes with the milk, it's going to be pink in color. So we will have it here. First thing, I have done this sugar. It's a syrup like. Can you see the syrup? We will leave this aside. You don't boil too much. Once the sugar dissolves, you keep it ready so that it is ready for us. Now I'll keep this aside. And then what I'm going to do is, I'll take the blender. Now we are going to blend this. So we will see how we are going to blend this together. First thing I am going to use the milk. I have got 2 cups of milk here. Actually fresh milk I have taken. I kept it in the fridge also for a while so that it will be easy for us to use like. So 2 cups of milk I am going to do for 2 people. So then I need condensed milk. 1, 2 teaspoons of condensed milk. What did I tell? I told you for 2 people I am doing. I need a little now. I have put condensed milk. So what do you think? I need a little bit of sugar also. We don't need much sugar, but I'll just put a little sugar here. That's just 1 teaspoon. If it is not enough, you can always add a little more. So we will use first a little and see how it works. Then of course I need a little ice cream. And 1.5 cups I think would do. If it is not enough, we'll see. So we will now blend it. So now what I am going to do is, that is more than enough, beating is enough and everything is going well. Now what I will do is, I will take this away from the bowl. Always we have to add a little salt into that. If you don't add the salt, of course it won't be nice, so we will add the salt also. Now I am going to put into the glasses. After that, I will put the rose syrup. It will go in right to the bottom. 2 teaspoons I have put. It has gone right to the bottom. Now I need, I hope you know what this is, basil seeds. Right, basil seeds. Put a little basil seeds on this, on top of it. In the other words, we just call it as kasakasa. That's the main thing. Now this is ready. Now see how it looks like this. Before you drink, what you have to do is, you nicely stir it. You don't need the, actually we need a spoon only, and then mix it nicely and it's ready for you to have it. This weather, it's really good. I would say it is really nice to have this. It's very good. It's milk, fresh milk I have used. So when I use the fresh milk, I boiled it, kept in the fridge to cool so that it will be nice to have it. Actually, to tell you the truth, I am going to have it and I hope you will enjoy. Prepare it. You have to prepare this and see how it comes, because something really nice, very quick and easy to prepare. So you prepare this and see how it comes and you can enjoy. Don't put too much of sugar, because there is sugar in the condensed milk, there is sugar in the ice cream, so that just put a little, and if it is not enough you can always add. And the sugar, we use the what did we use now? Rose syrup. That rose syrup is also there, so it will give a good flavor and taste. Try it out and see how it comes. This is something really nice to give for your family, your friends. If your friend comes, one thing you have to do is, please remember, whenever you give for your friend, take a tissue, paper serviette, so give like this, and you don't really bring in a tray and come. Even if you bring about 5-6 people are there, you bring it in a tray, but keep it on the table, and then one by one you serve it for each person, so that they will enjoy, they will be happy to have it from your hand. So this is something really nice to have it. And I'm talking now, I want to drink this more than anything. It's so hot, so warm, so I want to drink this. So this is how you prepare and see how it comes, because next episode I am going to come with another nice recipe. So till then, bye from me now and see you soon.